So I was loading this kayak right here. I was loading it with my wife. Excuse me, and it fell off. Completely took my mirror off, so I just ordered a new one. Go Jags! Jags saving the day. It works. It's only going to be there for a couple days. Good morning, another day, another fish. Here we go. Today is a Tuesday. On a Tuesday, I am going to go sheepshead fishing. And then after that, I'm going to launch the kayak for the first time. Very first time. We got the maiden voyage. Still don't have a name for it. I don't know if that's bad luck or not. Got to figure that out. I need a name. You comment below. Give me a name. I need a name so I can catch my first anything out there on this kayak. So I got a ton of fiddler crabs. I'll show you what that looks like. Actually, they do it by the solo cup size, like a pint, I guess. So I got 2 pints of fiddler crabs, which is a lot, man. That is a lot of fiddler crabs. So we're gonna use those, try to get the sheepshead, and if we have any left over, I'll keep using them as bait. But yeah, we will see you under some bridges. Got the new Spin Fisher 6 combo. Gonna try this out on some sheepshead today. Yes, we got Tim and Faye getting ready, and gonna go underneath this bridge. All right, I finally get a bite. I'm so excited. Got my new 7-foot Spin Fisher rod, first fish ever, and it's not a sheepshead. It's a what is that fish? It looks kind of like a rock bass. We're not too sure. Just tell us what it is. We got a keeper? What we got here?
A little small.
Alright. It's gotta be 12, right?
Starting off right.
I said it's the first time I've ever seen it. Oh god! Get it. Oh, it's a big one, is it? It's a baby? Ah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's 2-0. He's smoking me. Oh, God, they're good. We gotta pull this bucket closer to us. This shit's getting crazy. That's why I brought a lot of baby, man. Shit, I think I just threw it on top of you, sorry. The bite is so subtle, you don't even feel it, and that, just like that fiddler crab was off the hook.
Yeah, one. Here, grab one, and I'm gonna bring the bucket down there. I'm tired of walking back. It's dangerous. I don't feel like it was this hard last time. Yeah, they're staying on, brother. There we go. Tim face on. Ah, another baby. Number 6. Crushing it, man. Crushing it. Yeah, another little baby rock bass. These guys have such hard mouths.
All right, finally, I got my first sheepshead on the new pole. There we go. Check it out. Guys, I'm using a swivel to 20-pound fluoro leader to a drop shot to a 2/0 kale hook. And that worked. Some people use jig heads. Some people use knocker rigs, Carolina rigs. It's whatever you can get.
All right.
I found a drop shot rig most effective.
What we got here? Oh, another one. Is that a keeper?
I got so used to the subtle bites that when I actually felt something, I thought it was a massive sheep's head. It ended up being a small rock bass.
Hey, little baby sea bass. Well, I didn't get skunked.
Wind started picking up, so I put this jacket on. Got Timothy back there. What's up? People are fishing from the bridge. So far, man, we got some sheepshead. We have not caught any keepers, but we did get some rock bass and whatnot. Here we go.
Yeah, I keep the weight on the bottom. That way I can feel it better.
Guys, don't be scared of these little crabs. I mean, if they pinch, it doesn't even hurt that bad. It really doesn't. Don't be scared. I reach right in the bucket. I grab out a handful of them.
13.
This is seriously some of the hardest fishing we've ever done. It takes a lot of patience and a lot of bait. Well, after this, we decide, you know what? It is slack tide. The bite has really slowed down. Let's get in the kayaks and see where we can go and what we can do. And yes, folks, Larry the lizard. Larry. What's up, man? Come and kayaking with us, man. That's awesome. Made it. When you said start a fire, I didn't know you mean like it's a random ass campsite over here. You got the kayaks way down there. We're about to start fishing. Let's get on them, man. Let's get on them. Tim, you ready?
I'm ready.
He's ready. All right, we're ready. Boo! First fish of the day in this spot, anyway. Oh, stop! Ah! Ah! It punched me in the face.
What we got? Oh, another baby sheep. Another sheepy. All right. There we go. There we go, guys.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a black drum. If you listen close, you hear it drumming. Hear it drumming? He's definitely too small, but what a nice fish. This is a black drum. They're so nice. You hear them drumming. All right, let him go. There you go. Oh, he's lively. He's lively. There you go. That's sweet.
Definitely getting hit.
Definitely getting hit, but not any takers. It's a kitty cat. What's up, homie? We friends?
Yeah, so if you don't own a boat or you don't own a kayak and you have to shore fish like I do a lot of shore fishing. So you got to find the spots, man. You just got to like get underneath some bridges. You got to get in places where water's moving. See this water? It's moving. Fish like the tides, man. They like the changing of the tides. So you got to go where the water's moving. Make sure you find a nice little hole. I mean, you could try it out. Sometimes it's hard to get here. Like you got to walk over all these rocks over here. But once you get here, it should produce if you've got the right tackle. You know, lighter the tackle, the better. In these little situations, you know, you really want like a size 1 or 2 hook, something small, some very light leader line. I got 20 pound on here just because that's all I had. But you want, you know, something really light that they can't see. You know, you got to disguise your bait as best you can. Make sure you bury the hook into your bait. Don't let them see the hook. You know, just let it be as natural as possible, and then you'll get on some fish. I'm saying that, but we'll see. We'll see what happens here. And get yourself some water shoes. Your feet are gonna get wet.
Keep it reeling.